Sounds Hit Tube presents royalty-free sounds.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Oh, I listen to the Smiths. Yeah, I love the Smiths.
That's cool, man. Yeah, that's cool. They're one of my favourite bands. What's your favourite album?
Meat is Monster is great.
Yeah, that's not the Smiths, man. What other sort of albums of theirs do you listen to?
Yeah, Thriller is...
I don't think you've listened to the Smiths, man. I think you...
No, Smiths are great.
Nah, man.
I like Spice World.
None of what you're saying are Smiths albums or songs, man. You don't listen to the Smiths, do you?
I don't know who Smiths is.